and that is a level up, just saying that severe weather could be more widespread and also be a bit more significant and life-threatening. And so looking ahead, we want you to be plugged into the forecast and checking in for updates as timing and specifics become a little bit more visible. Looking ahead to Thursday, we're going to have a disturbance move through, and I think storms may move through as early as 9-10 a.m. and they're going to be scattered storms, but some of them could be heavy. We're going to have some colder air aloft on Thursday, and so that is conducive for hail growth in tall thunderstorms. So Thursday afternoon, you'll see these scattered storms moving across the state, some of them heavy, and again, some of them could bring some gusty winds. If you'll notice how it appears it's bowing out a bit, we could see some gusty winds on Thursday afternoon. Just be prepared for that. We've got a marginal risk, that's level 1 out of 5. For a severe storm on Thursday. Bigger risk comes down the road though. We've got Saturday as an alert day, and really the severe weather could begin as early as Friday night, closer to 10 p.m. and I think closer to midnight, but we could have a 24-hour to 30-hour window where severe storms are possible heading into the weekend. Multiple rounds. We'll probably get one early Saturday morning and then another through Saturday afternoon and evening. Tornadoes will be possible, damaging wind gusts, and some very large hail. Let's talk about the timeline. So Friday night, again, Friday is fine. It's closer to 10 p.m. into midnight when some of these storms will move in from the west. And they could be severe even Saturday morning with wind, hail, and heavy rain. I think the bigger threat for tornadoes will be Saturday afternoon into Saturday night, but there will be severe storms possible during this window. So just a good idea to, in advance, know your safe place and know where you're going to be this weekend, especially if you've got plans. We've got an enhanced risk. That's level 3 out of 5 for severe weather. This is all day on Saturday. It covers the entire state. Also, know where you live on this map. Know your county. Be able to pinpoint your location so if warnings are issued, you're ready to go. With the past few events, we have lacked instability but had plenty of wind shear, and the atmosphere is all about balance, and so we're going to have, looks like, ample amounts of both. Depending on how these parameters align on the day of, that will dictate the magnitude of storms that we see and really just kind of how they behave as they're moving through. But it looks like we're going to have plenty of instability Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon. Of course, after dark, it begins to wane a bit. We will be keeping you updated. We do have some fine tuning to do, of course. We're a few days away. But again, Thursday, limited risk of some severe storms scattered during the afternoon. And then Saturday, we want you to be on guard really all day long. Temperatures are coming up to 75 today, into the upper 70s tomorrow, pretty close to touching 80 degrees. I hope that you'll get outside and enjoy the pleasant weather before the storms get here. You're watching WVT.